Most architecture offices do not need a science fiction AI system. They need fewer repetitive handoffs. A meeting note should become minutes. A folder upload should trigger a summary. A drawing package should run a naming check. A rendered video should be validated before upload. This is where workflow tools like n8n and cloud infrastructure like OCI become useful. In this video, we look at how an architecture or design office can build an AI back office, a set of small automations that connect documents, models, storage, rendering, and review.
n8n is a visual workflow automation tool. You can think of it as a switchboard. When something happens, it can trigger the next step. A file appears in a folder. An email arrives. A form is submitted. A script finishes. A webhook is called. n8n can pass information to an AI model, save a result, notify a team, or call another service. OCI, or Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, can act as a cloud worker, a place to store files, run heavier scripts, render video, or process batches without tying up your local computer.
The first workflow is document intake. Imagine a consultant uploads a report, or a client sends a long brief. Instead of someone manually copying text into an AI assistant, n8n can detect the file, send it to a controlled summarization step, save the summary to a project folder, and notify the project manager. The first version should be narrow: one folder, one document type, one summary format, one human review step. That is how automation becomes reliable instead of mysterious.
A useful summary format might include project name, source file, date, key decisions, risks, required actions, responsible people, and questions. The AI model should not quietly overwrite documents or send client messages by itself. It should produce drafts and logs. The human decides what leaves the office. This pattern protects quality while still saving time.
The second workflow is drawing package QA. A folder contains PDFs, DWGs, schedules, and issue notes. n8n can trigger a script that checks whether file names match the Office standard, whether expected sheets are present, and whether metadata exists. Codex can help build the script. The result can be saved as a QA report. If the package passes, the team gets a notification. If it fails, the report lists what needs correction before delivery.
This is a good example of using AI and automation together. The AI agent helps create or refine the checker. The automation platform runs it at the right time. The cloud worker handles the file processing. The project team reviews the result. No single piece is magic. The value comes from connecting small reliable pieces into a repeatable process.
The third workflow is media production. For a YouTube channel about architecture, CAD, and AI tools, a batch process might include script files, voiceover generation, GPT images, remotion or hyperframes composition, FMPEG rendering, and YouTube upload. Running everything locally can be slow and fragile. A cloud worker can render videos, save result JSON, and keep outputs organized. n8n can start the batch, pull render status, and upload only after validation.
Validation is critical. A workflow start message is not proof that a video uploaded. A render log is not proof that the final MP4 has audio. A file path is not proof that YouTube accepted it. For each video, the process should verify: MP4 exists, duration is near target, audio stream exists, thumbnail exists, metadata exists, result JSON is saved, and YouTube returns a video ID or processing status. This discipline prevents false success.
The fourth workflow is credential and approval safety. Automation tools often connect to email, cloud storage, AI APIs, and YouTube. That means secrets matter. Do not store API keys in scripts or documents. Use n8n credentials, environment variables, or a secure secrets system. Use private or unlisted upload by default. Require explicit confirmation before public upload. Keep logs, but do not log tokens or private client information. An AI backoffice must be boringly secure.
Good automation also respects human workflow. If a process needs a decision, Stop and ask. If a captcha or login challenge appears, do not try to bypass it. If YouTube reports an upload limit, stop retrying and save state. If a cloud disk fills up, clean temporary files after verification. These rules sound ordinary, but they are the difference between a helpful system and a system that creates new problems.
The best way to build an AI backoffice is gradually. Level 1 is manual AI assistance. Paste notes. Get a summary. Review. Level 2 is repeatable templates. Same prompt. Same format. Level 3 is semi-automation. n8n triggers a draft and stores it. Level 4 is monitored production. Logs. Validation. Alerts. And human approval gates. Most offices should not jump directly to level 4. Start where the workflow is clear and the risk is low.
For architecture teams, strong first candidates include meeting minute drafts, RFI classification, folder naming checks, weekly research digests, drawing package QA, and educational video production. Weak first candidates include automatic client advice, automatic code approval, automatic submittal approval, or anything that makes legal, safety, or contractual decisions without review. Automation should remove repetitive handling, not professional responsibility.
A practical backoffice can begin with 3 lanes. The document lane handles meeting notes, client briefs, site reports, and weekly summaries. The production QA lane handles file naming, expected sheet lists, issue package checks, and data exports. The media lane handles scripts, voiceover, images, rendering, validation, and upload. These lanes should be separate at first. If the media workflow fails, it should not affect project delivery. If a document summary needs review, it should not block drawing QA.
Each lane needs a clear owner. The project manager owns document summaries. The CAD or BIM lead owns production QA. The channel or marketing owner manages media production. The automation owner maintains credentials, logs, and workflow versions. This avoids the common problem where a clever automation is built once, then nobody knows who should fix it when a credential expires or an API changes.
Also plan for failure. If the AI service is down, what happens? If the cloud worker is full, where is the job state saved? If YouTube rejects an upload, how do you know which videos succeeded and which are pending? Good automation is not only a happy path, it is a set of clear states. Queued, running, failed, needs review, validated, uploaded, and verified.
This state discipline is especially important for batch video production. 10 videos may render successfully, but upload limits can stop the batch. One file may miss audio. One thumbnail may be wrong. One metadata field may contain an internal note that should never be public. The workflow must validate before upload and verify after upload. That is how the AI backoffice earns trust.
The same state idea applies to project documents. A report can be drafted, reviewed, approved, sent, and archived. A drawing package can be exported, checked, corrected, delivered, and logged. If the workflow records these states, the team knows where work stands without asking 5 people in chat. Automation should make status visible, not more mysterious.
Visibility is the real back-office benefit. People trust automation when they can see what happened, what failed, and who approved the next step.
Without that visibility, automation becomes another inbox.
With it, the system becomes accountable production infrastructure.
Reliable. To recap, n8n can connect events and services. OCI can provide cloud processing. AI models can summarize or generate drafts. And validation gates keep the system honest. Together, they form an AI backoffice for architecture teams. If you want more practical workflows for design automation, CAD, BIM, and AI video production, subscribe, like this video, and comment with the office process you would connect first.